Good afternoon, this is Elliot DeMarco from Ideal Homes Portugal. I'm in Armansil, right next to Quinta Verde urbanisation on the road to Quinta de Lago. This villa is approximately 600 metres from Quinta Shopping, so an easy walk to the facilities there at Quinta Shopping. This is the garden, which is quite substantial. You have a borehole, so bringing all the water up from the ground, so the water is free. The pool is heated as there's a heat pump, and this is a 3-bed villa, single story. So let's go inside and have a look at the villa. So the pool is a nice size. Nice shaded areas for dining. The plot extends out the back. I need to check the size of the plot because it says around 1,000 square meters, but it looks bigger to me. So there might be a rustic part, which is this at the back, which I'll have to check. The borehole's over there. I've got a double carport and electric gates in the main entrance. This is where the laundry is, underneath the stairs there. We're going in through the kitchen, which has been recently done. So it's a relatively new kitchen, fully equipped. This is Santa Catarina tiles on the floor, traditional tiles. And the plaster in the villa is the spoon plaster finish, which is traditional as well. This is a great feature of this villa, this big open plan space. Big lounge diner. You have an open fire there. The winter, air conditioning, which is heating and cooling throughout. This is open to the kitchen as well, with a breakfast bar. So this is one of the suites. Again, you can see the air conditioning cassette on the wall. The bathrooms have been renovated as well. So this is a suite with a big walk-in shower. Toilet behind the door. Big bank of wardrobes there. So you have one bedroom one side of the villa and two more on the opposite end. This is actually the main entrance, but they use the kitchen as the main entrance. So this is another bathroom with another big walk-in shower, which has been retiled with a toilet and shower tray. And this is a service toilet for the villa and for this bedroom here, which is the only one that's not en suite, which is looking straight out to the pool. Again, a lot of storage. And then you have another suite. Wardrobes and an ensuite. So this has a bidet, a toilet and a bath with a shower over the bath. It's quite a nice size. Let's have another look at the lounge. this angle so you see the kitchen, an open plan lounge diner. Squeaky door. Nice mature gardens. There's a cork tree there, quite large cork tree. Electric gates again. There's access to the roof terrace. You see the heat pump for the pool just behind the shower in the pool house. Really nice pool. Easy access there with steps. There's a garden shed in the back corner there as well for additional storage. And that takes you around to the carport and to the official main entrance, which is not being used currently. If you'd like to call me direct to talk about this property and any others, my number is 00351 918 11 1285. My email is elliot@idealhomesportugal.com. Hope to see you soon.